Hello and welcome back to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make a nice ear warmer. I'm going to start using Bernat Softy Chunky and a 9 mm hook, and going to make some chains. Start by making a loop, then yarn over through here. The first loop is made. Then we are going to make chains. So yarn over, pull through the loop we made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is almost the length of my palm. That will be enough for me. And one more. And on the second chain from the hook, we are going to make a half double crochet. So this is the second chain from hook. This is the last loop we have, and this is the first chain at the end. Then this is the second chain from the last, and we are going to yarn over, insert the hook into the loop, then yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, 1 half double crochet. Then we make half double crochet on rest of the chains all the way here. Let us see when we are all here. Now we are making the last half double crochet on the foundation chains. Now chain 1, turn your work. This is the last half double crochet we made. So insert the hook between this V shape. I would say the back loop. Then make a double crochet, half double crochet, not double crochet, half double crochet. You're going to make half double crochet on the back loop only on this entire row. The turning chain 1 is not counted as a stitch. That's the whole thing you have to remember. Now we are reaching to the end of the row. This is the last one. Chain 1, turn. That chain 1 is not considered as a stitch. Yarn over, make a half double crochet in the back loop of the first stitch. Repeat the process. We are making the stitches only on the back loop. It will create a nice texture for our ear warmer. Isn't it fun and easy? Once this row is finished, I will show you how textured it is. The summer is coming to an end, but my morning glories are showing a lot of beautiful blue flowers now. So nice. And the last one here, just like this. The other side also like this. See this ridges. When you do a couple of more rows, you will see it's like a beautiful texture. This is the width of the ear warmer. You are making it to go all around your head, so make enough rows to cover your head and to keep your ears warm in the coming winter days. I will make it in a turban style. That is all about how you finish the edges, like when you stitch the edges together at the end. That's all difference it makes. That is what it creates, that a beautiful twist at the top. That's a very easy meditative process of making this one. If you wish to buy one, you can head over to my Etsy shop. I checked this one around my head and it fits very nicely. So we cut the yarn off and now we are going to finish this off. That is an extra chain there. Okay, we finish it off. Just pull the yarn through this one. Now we need the yarn needle. This to be the end. I'm going to fold it over like this. Make the all the edges are visible. So it is like this. What we are going to do is we are going to stitch through all the four sides. 2, 3 and 4. Make sure you are getting all the 4 parts, all the 4 sections, so there will not be any holes after you finished doing this. Okay, Yes, nicely closed. I'm going to weave this yarn tail around one more time. And a little more. Now we turn it side out. There you have this nice textured turban style headband. Now my turban style ear warmer is ready. Look at that. Nice to cover my ears, nice to do my hair. Yeah, looking good. Happy with another project. See you next time. Till then, bye.